has an infinite canvas offering you lots of space to develop your lesson. Choose the Select tool from the toolbar. Using your fingers, you can pinch to zoom and rotate, or drag to move to a new part of the canvas. The radar window in the top right corner is a guide to show you the canvas's contents. Whether you are having students come to the panel to practice concepts, adding images, or incorporating math tools, an infinite canvas gives you infinite possibilities. When finished, you can select the menu at the top of the toolbar to export your entire canvas to a PDF.